Gwadar International Airport, gateway to Pakistan's future. In the southwestern province of Balochistan, Pakistan, lies the coastal city of Gwadar. Known for its strategic location on the Arabian Sea, Gwadar has long been touted as a potential economic and trade hub for Pakistan. Central to this vision is the construction of the new Gwadar International Airport, NGIA, which is poised to become one of the largest and most modern airports in Pakistan. This is the story of Gwadar International Airport, from its inception to its anticipated impact on Pakistan's future. The vision. The idea of transforming Gwadar into a major economic center is not new. In the early 2000s, the Pakistani government recognized Gwadar's potential due to its strategic location near the Strait of Hormuz, through which a significant portion of the world's oil supply passes. The vision was to develop Gwadar into a port city that could rival the likes of Dubai and Singapore, serving as a key link in regional and global trade networks. Central to this vision was the development of modern infrastructure, including a state-of-the-art airport. The existing Gwadar airport was small and outdated, incapable of handling large volumes of passengers and cargo. A new airport was essential to support the ambitious plans for the city. The plan. In 2014, the Pakistani government, with support from China, announced plans for the new Gwadar International Airport. The project was part of the broader China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, CPEC, a multi-billion-dollar initiative aimed at improving infrastructure and connectivity between the two countries. CPEC is a flagship project of China's Belt and Road Initiative, BRI, which seeks to enhance trade and investment flows across Asia, Europe, and Africa. The new airport was designed to cover an area of 4,300 acres, with a 12,000-foot runway capable of handling wide-body aircraft such as the Airbus A380 and Boeing 747. The terminal was planned to accommodate both domestic and international flights, with modern facilities for passengers and cargo handling. The airport was also envisioned to have a capacity of handling 30,000 tons of cargo and up to 1 million passengers annually. The groundbreaking. The groundbreaking ceremony for the new Gwadar International Airport took place on March 29, 2019. The event was attended by high-ranking officials from Pakistan and China, including Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan and Chinese Ambassador to Pakistan Yao Jing. The ceremony marked the official start of construction, with a target completion date set for 2023. Prime Minister Imran Khan, in his speech, emphasized the significance of the airport for the region and the country. He stated that the airport would not only enhance connectivity but also attract investment, create jobs, and boost tourism in Balochistan. He also highlighted the strategic importance of Gwadar in the context of CPEC and Pakistan's economic future. The construction. The construction of the new Gwadar International Airport was a massive undertaking, involving numerous challenges and complexities. The project was managed by the China Communications Construction Company, CCCC, a leading Chinese construction firm with extensive experience in large-scale infrastructure projects. Phase 1. Site preparation and infrastructure. The first phase of construction involved site preparation and the development of basic infrastructure. This included clearing the land, leveling the ground, and constructing access roads. Given the arid and rocky terrain of Gwadar, this phase was particularly challenging and required significant earthmoving and grading work. Phase 2. Runway and taxiways. The next phase focused on the construction of the runway and taxiways. The 12,000-foot runway was designed to accommodate the largest commercial aircraft in operation, making it one of the longest runways in Pakistan. This phase also included the installation of advanced navigation and communication systems to ensure safe and efficient operations. Phase 3. Terminal building. The construction of the terminal building was one of the most critical components of the project. The terminal was designed to be modern and functional, with facilities for both domestic and international passengers. This included check-in counters, security screening areas, customs and immigration facilities, baggage claim areas, and lounges. The terminal also featured commercial spaces for retail shops, restaurants, and duty-free stores. Phase 4. Support facilities. In addition to the main terminal and runway, the project also included the construction of various support facilities. These included cargo handling facilities, maintenance and repair hangars, fuel storage tanks, and firefighting and rescue stations. The airport also required the development of utilities such as water supply, sewage treatment, and power generation. Challenges and solutions. The construction of the new Gwadar International Airport was not without its challenges. Some of the key challenges faced during the project included environmental and geographical challenges. Gwadar's arid climate and rocky terrain posed significant challenges for construction. The lack of water resources and extreme temperatures required innovative solutions for water supply and cooling systems. Additionally, the coastal location meant that the airport had to be designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, including strong winds and occasional cyclones. Security concerns. Balochistan has faced security challenges due to insurgency and militant activities in the region. Ensuring the safety of construction workers and protecting the project site from potential threats was a top priority. The Pakistani government, in collaboration with security forces, implemented stringent security measures, including the deployment of military personnel and the establishment of secure zones around the construction site. Financial and logistical challenges. The scale and complexity of the project required substantial financial investment and logistical coordination. Securing funding and managing the flow of resources and materials were critical aspects of the project. The collaboration between Pakistan and China under the CPEC framework provided the necessary financial support and expertise to address these challenges. The impact. The completion of the new Gwadar International Airport is expected to have a profound impact on Gwadar and Pakistan as a whole. Some of the key anticipated benefits include economic growth and investment. The airport is expected to serve as a catalyst for economic growth and investment in Gwadar. Improved connectivity and modern infrastructure will attract both domestic and international investors, leading to the development of various industries, including logistics, manufacturing, and tourism. The airport will also facilitate the export of goods and services, boosting trade and commerce. Job creation and skills development. The construction and operation of the airport will create numerous job opportunities for the local population. This includes jobs in construction, aviation, hospitality, and related industries. Additionally, the project will contribute to skills development and capacity building, providing training and employment opportunities for local residents. Tourism and cultural exchange. Gwadar's picturesque coastline and historical significance make it an attractive destination for tourists. The new airport will make it easier for tourists to visit Gwadar, leading to the growth of the tourism industry. This, in turn, will promote cultural exchange and foster greater understanding and cooperation between Pakistan and other countries. Regional connectivity and trade. Gwadar's strategic location positions it as a key gateway for regional connectivity and trade. The airport will enhance Pakistan's connectivity with other countries in the region, including China, Iran, and the Gulf states. This will facilitate the movement of goods and people, strengthening Pakistan's position in regional trade networks and contributing to regional stability and prosperity. The future. As the new Gwadar International Airport nears completion, the focus is now on the future and the potential it holds for Pakistan. The airport is not just an infrastructure project, it is a symbol of Pakistan's aspirations for economic development, regional integration, and global connectivity. Integration with China-Pakistan Economic Corridor (CPEC). The airport is a critical component of CPEC, which aims to create a network of roads, railways, and pipelines connecting Gwadar to China's Xinjiang province. This integration will enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of CPEC, facilitating the movement of goods and resources between Pakistan and China. The airport will also serve as a key logistics hub, supporting the transportation of goods along the CPEC route. Sustainable development. The development of the new Gwadar International Airport also emphasizes the importance of sustainable development. The project incorporates various environmentally friendly practices, including the use of renewable energy sources, water conservation measures, and waste management systems. The goal is to minimize the environmental impact of the airport while ensuring its long-term sustainability. Community engagement and social development. Engaging with the local community and promoting social development are essential aspects of the project. Efforts have been made to involve local stakeholders in the planning and implementation of the airport, ensuring that their needs and concerns are addressed. The project also includes initiatives to improve local infrastructure, healthcare, and education, contributing to the overall well-being of the community. In conclusion, the new Gwadar International Airport represents a monumental achievement for Pakistan and a significant step towards realizing the vision of Gwadar as a major economic and trade hub. The airport's construction has overcome numerous challenges, demonstrating the determination and collaboration of both Pakistan and China under the CPEC framework. As the airport prepares to open its doors, it stands as a testament to Pakistan's aspirations for economic growth, regional connectivity, and global engagement. The new Gwadar International Airport is not just an infrastructure project, it is a gateway to Pakistan's future, offering new opportunities for prosperity, development, and cooperation. With its completion, Gwadar is poised to take its place on the global stage, fulfilling its potential as a key player in the region and beyond. If you liked my video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.